Kdsk, sound souvenirs.
Full Metal Jacket Firearms, concealed carry, hunter safety, and personal protection courses. Free safety course for first-time owners. Northwest corner of 528 and Sunt. FullMetalJacketFirearms.com.
This is the Constitutional Minute. My name is Bill Lentz of Full Metal Jacket Firearms. What are your responsibilities as a citizen of this republic when it comes to voting in presidential elections? We in the United States have a great honor to have a constitutional voice in our elections. So how do we determine who to vote for at election time? Using the U.S. Constitution as an operating guide for the country, we should consider voting for candidates who will uphold those principles contained within. Many candidates will promise us stuff if only we give them our vote. In reality, they most likely will not have the authority to grant what they promise. Unfortunately, some candidates try to divide us on issues of race, economic background, and other divisive issues. They're trying to get your vote by promising to take, by force of the United States government, something from one citizen of the republic and give it to another. Does this seem right to you? Are we as citizens so gullible to believe that a government agency can choose what's best for our lives? How did we get to this point in our country when our elections have less to do about the U.S. Constitution and more to do about getting something for nothing? As we approach the next election day, please remember that if you're voting for a candidate who is promising you something that you didn't earn, you may need to rethink your priorities. Ask yourself this question: am I fulfilling my constitutional responsibilities as a citizen of this republic with this vote? As an American citizen, we are in this experiment of self-governance together. Remember that we are a republic, which means that the individual rights of each citizen are more valuable than the opinions of the majority. If that were not the case, we would be subject to mob rule under every election. This is what sets the United States of America apart from almost every other country on planet Earth. Please take the time to read our founding documents this year. Then listen carefully to the candidates and how they would follow the U.S. Constitution. You may be surprised with how your opinions on who you will vote for will change when you use the foundational documents of this country as your standard. If you would like a copy of the Declaration of Independence or U.S. Constitution, please come by the store. We will be happy to provide you one at our expense.
Full Metal Jacket Firearms, gunsmithing and servicing, U.S. manufactured Browning safes, northwest corner of 528 and Sunt, FullMetalJacketFirearms.com.